How y'all doing? Got my American Wholesale Fireworks order today from the FedEx Freight Depot downtown. And it all fit in my little car out there. That one. This box right here was the big one. Heavy. The others fit pretty nicely. Interesting thing about these boxes is that all but two of them have actual products that I bought on the labels on the outside. 100% Crackle, I bought that. Not Pulse Pounder, not Wicked Craving, not Neon Beef. I did buy a case of those, a kit of those, not a case. Should be telling you that these are not cases. This is a mixed order. This rocket drum is in there, but only one, not six. And then we got the Trooper turret. There is one down in there. Saw my name there. There's one, or two, I should say. But there's obviously other stuff. That one's very heavy. So I'm gonna set up this phone here, and we're gonna look at what's inside each one of these boxes. Do a little stash update here, and we're going to time lapse the parts where I'm just getting these things open. But you'll see me doing it one by one. We'll start right here. Either one. We'll start with that one. Okay. Back here. Right. There it is. I see 200-gram cakes in here. I see a little pack of rockets. No, these are tubes. Keystone. $500-gram. Angle. Heavy. Raccoon. I guess I did get a Wicked Craving. Another raccoon. Yeah. A lot of little stuff here. Some big cakes too. Like 100% Crackles right there. If you want a Crackle, you got it. Now, a bunch of small 200-gram cakes like this. So we got the Mighty Max assortment. I don't know what it's called. Extreme, Jolt, Fire Alarm, Red Alert. Then Mighty Max. We love it. Crackle. Whistle. Glitter. Twirl. Dominator wheel. No nail. It comes like that. A brother's Escort. It's a drone. This is T-Sky novelty car. Supersonic. $200 grand. Smoke Dragon. I got 3 of these. V3P Volcano Brothers. Kind of almost like a little air carrier defense vehicle. Here's the first actual 350-gram cake I have. 30 shots, Old Ironside Brothers. Performance. And I can't wait to see what this is. Check it out. Ouch. They're bottle rockets. Super Fireworks. Bottle rockets. Report. Doesn't say if it whistles or not. They were pretty cheap. They were $10 at gross. Galactic Empire. I think that's it. Big cake. This has only a few items. They're big though. Compact kit. Peacock Spider. Here's the secret vault assortment, my brothers. It's, I gotta open it up. Last standing cake, Saturn missiles, something Ghost in the Dark, no, Left in the Dark, Top Banana, some little Roman candles, and some little cakes. And oh god, this is falling apart here. This doesn't have a top on it. No top. I don't even know how many rockets are in here. 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 24, 26, about 30 rockets or so. Trooper turret, big stake here. It has color as well as reports and waves. Performance. Bright Star grilling and chilling. It's 200 gram. 8 in a boom, 300, 500 gram. Bright Star. Blue ring, palms. Alright, we got Link Triad Fire Dragon, 8 ounce. There might be effects on them. Performance, thousands of years, Chinese fire dragon rockets raise down fiery terror on its enemies. Now you can see them in all their fiery glory. That's a good one. And right away, here we go, a nice big wheel. Again, this one has hardly any kind of hub on it in the middle. Growler here. The HDPE tubes. I need these guys to fix my rack. Oh yeah, forget. We got neon beef. These have, I thought it might have rings, but it's got mines. The box says it's got gorgeous mines on the shelves. 12 are with mines. And definitely not least, that's last. Gold willow, metallic silver crown, death shell. All right, there's the recap. Give it a little live look tonight. And we got rockets and turrets. Oh yeah, and a secret vault. Should be good for New Year's Eve. Groggy D.